In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Facebook Ads Manager access. Navigating Facebook's business tools can often feel like finding your way through an intricate maze. Whether you're looking to grant access to your marketing team or collaborating with an external agency, understanding the process of providing access to your Facebook Ads Manager is crucial. This tutorial is designed to clear the mist and make the entire process as seamless as possible. Let's start with the initial step, visiting Facebook Business Manager. For those of you who might be new to this, Facebook Business Manager serves as a one-stop shop to manage business tools, business assets, and employee access to these assets. You simply need to head over to business.facebook.com. Upon reaching the site, you'll notice an option to log in with Facebook. Click on this to proceed. This step is straightforward. Enter your Facebook credentials if you're not logged in already. Choose your account and proceed. This selection is key as it ensures that you are working within the correct business account tied to your profile. Once you're in the Business Manager dashboard, direct your attention to the lower left panel and click on Ads. This action expands your options and you should then select Ads Manager. For a quicker route in future endeavors, remember you can directly access Ads Manager by typing adsmanager.facebook.com into your browser's address bar. This shortcut can save you a couple of clicks, making your workflow a bit more efficient. Upon accessing Ads Manager, your next move is to navigate to Manage Ads and then Campaigns. This area is where the magic happens, allowing you to create, manage, and review your advertising campaigns. Whether you're launching a new product or promoting an event, this section is pivotal. Now, for the part where you actually grant access, seek out the Ad Account Roles section. This area controls who has access to your ad account and what level of permissions they hold. Permissions are critical for maintaining control and security over your account, ensuring that individuals only have access to the features necessary for their role. After clicking on Ad Account Roles, your next step is to click on Add People. This is where you begin the process of granting access to a new user. Your screen will display a search bar or an input field where you can type in Highlight. Here you will enter the name or email address of the person you wish to add to your Ads Manager. Deciding on the level of access is a significant step. For most situations, Ad Account Advertiser provides adequate permissions for creating and managing ads without offering full control over account settings or the ability to add other users. However, there may be instances where granting Ad Account Admin access is necessary. This level allows for complete control over the ad account, including modifying roles and settings. It is advisable to grant this level of access sparingly and only to individuals you trust completely. To finalize the process, after selecting the appropriate role, click on it and then proceed to confirm the action. This initiation sends an invitation to the user, which they must accept to gain the access level you've designated. And there we have it, a complete walkthrough on giving access to your Facebook Ads Manager. Remember, managing access to your ad account is crucial, not only for security reasons, but also for maintaining a streamlined workflow among your team or with external partners. Always ensure to review the account roles periodically to keep your account's integrity intact. This tutorial aimed to demystify the process and equip you with the knowledge to manage your advertising efforts effectively on Facebook. Should you ever need to revisit permissions or add new members to your team, feel free to come back to this guide for a refresher. Happy advertising!